morning, everyone. So I just did a video putting on my eyes. It's all going to be in the same little series. So if you're in the series, you're watching it now. All right, so my hair is so soft. And I had a woman mention that to me. And by the way, I am a reviewer for Frannies Hair. And that is where I got my wig. And they are the most wonderful family. They are so caring and they go the extra mile. And if you're a newbie, if you will send them an email, they will help you. If you'll get on their Facebook page, Frannies Hair, it doesn't have a Y. It doesn't have an apostrophe. It's FRANNIESHAIR.com. Frannies Hair, plural. So, and I will have a code. It will be below. They're issuing it to me, I think, today. But in any case, so there we go. So if you're wondering where to buy a wig, I'm telling you, I feel so dedicated to this family already because they've been so kind as to help me when I was absolutely desperate and needed to know the things that I needed to know to buy a wig, which might have been everything. All right, so I have put my eyes on and I've done my eyeliner, but now it's time to attach things. So my hair is soft and slippery. And so, as Denise Sheets from Hey Wig Sister recommends, go to her channel, Hey Wig Sister. I love It Stays. I buy it from Walmart.com or Amazon, and they order it for me. And I always keep it upright because it just has this leaking thing it does, and it'll just get all over it, and then it'll get on your fingers, and then it'll get on your wig. So anyway, so is this the right way to do it? I don't know. Is this the way I do it? Am I a newbie? So when I'm not a newbie, you know, this may not be the way I do it. I talk to people who find the perfect wig grip for them, and they do not need this technique. But when I see newbies, how to do it for newbies, I picked this technique up from them, and I want to share it with you because it works for me. When your hair is so slippery, I would put on my cap or I'd put on my wig grip, and I would put on my wig, and I would go to town, and within 2 hours, it'd be in a little ball right up here in the crown of my head because my hair is just so slippery. So I just take and I do this. There you go. A little bit of it stays. If you sweat, it will release because it is water soluble. Just a little bit of water and it's gone. I know there's a back and there's a front. I think that's it. Okay, hang on. All right. So then I put on my cap. I put on my cap because I'm an itchy girl. I just itch to no end with a wig. And this makes me be able to wear them and not itch. Now, I bought this one. It's some kind of nylon material. It's okay. This is a soft plush material, and it really works for me. All right. So then the next step, I know you think this is crazy, but I can't get my wig grip to stay put. It's probably because I have a completely deformed head of some fashion. Who knows? So I stick it to the cap. And if it doesn't get wet or anything, this will stay together for a couple of days. And so for a couple of days, I'll just put it on. Now, with the wig grip, Vic taught me this from the Facebook group. This is supposed to go in the back, and the smooth is supposed to be in the front. And you're supposed to have the tooth to where if the wig was to slide back, the little teeth in here would keep it from going backwards. So if you do this and it's smooth, you've got it on and you need to flip it over and then try again. So now when I do it, it's smooth. So that's wrong. All right. I love her for teaching me that. All right. So then I just put that where it's supposed to be before the stays gets attached to it too much. And if you don't have the itchies, you can just glue your wig grip down to your hair. Before I got this, I would just take the stays and go a circle in my hair and put this on. And then I'd put a little bit in my crown just for safety's sake, because I was so worried my wig would come off in public. So that's step one of how I keep my wig on. How do I put on my wig grip? All right, so I am doing this little series on how I get ready in the morning. How do I put myself together? All right, so I have put on, if you would look at I'll put the link for the whole series, you know, of videos in the description, along with my code from Frannies Hair and any other little thing I think of, such as my website. If you would like to buy some of this wonderful handmade cream that I put in the first video and showed using. So anyway, so I've done my fake eyelashes, I've done my eyeliner, and now we're going to move on, and I have put my wig grip on. So I found at it's Brow Food, okay, and Eyelash Food, and I found that I like the applicator for the eyelash food the best. You just go to your local nice quality makeup place and tell them you want something to make your eyelashes and eyebrows grow better. And this right here has doubled the amount of hair that I have in my eyelashes, in my opinion, or eyebrows, excuse me. And it also is really great when you've put your powder on, because now we're going to do something to make your eyelashes not look all powdery. And so the other one had on a little applicator, you know, to rub it on the eyelashes like that, but I didn't like it. So when one was empty, I just did the other one. All right. And I just took out the little eyelash thing and then just screwed it down in the other one. I'm on the second bottle now. All right. So I have real eyelashes in there. And I'm just giving them a little bit of a curl. And I'm worried because all I have is a black mascara, and I have just bought brown eyelashes. So I think I'm going to have to order brown mascara. Maybe not too bad. I put it on much lighter than I normally do. What do you think? I think I accidentally touched them with it. There we go. Yeah, I did. That's not too bad, is it? It's so hard to find brown mascara in a store. Everybody buys black. All right, so now that's that. So next step is the eyelash, is the eyeshadow. I got to get this done before I put on my hair. If I don't, then I get stuff on my wig. And then you have to figure out how to get it off. So this is a light color, and I'm just showing you a simple technique. I'm going from eyebrow to eyelash. See that? We're not getting over here. We're just going in here. This keeps you looking youthful and less wrinkles. All right. And then, and I like this big, flat, stiffish, but yet soft brush. I like that. It's stiffish. It's a stiffish brush. Okay. So then, next one, this is a wonderful little Clinique And I'm doing and then I'm going to, same thing, tip of the eyebrow down, and from corner, see, from corner to corner. Ooh la la. All right, we're going to do the same thing. Eyebrow tip to eyelash, and then corner to corner. Ooh. Okay. When the hair goes on, it looks good, I swear. Okay, all right. So we've got that going. Let me get the coffee cup out since I've completely exhausted it. Let's see what we got. I'm going to go with Ginger Pop today. It's a little bit darker, Ginger Pop by Clinique. I find that I can utilize anything Clinique. I just can't, except for their perfumes. I'm still allergic to the fragrances in their perfumes. I think, a high forehead. So I do a little whoop, it'll whoop. And then, so it's an L with an extra dip. There, we've popped with some of that. And then, oh, where is it? I've lost it from myself. Okay, we're going with something different. Because Kimberly doesn't know where she put it. Oh, that one would be pretty. All right. And Smooth Whip, it's an NYX product. I like it because it has a drying, oh, of course, there it is, what I was looking for. I also have some Clinique lipstick that I really like. When I do one of these, it has a matted, dry feel, and that's what I like. And then, because I'm doing Ginger Pop today, I know this would not look good normally, you would think. You would be like, oh, but no, it'll be okay. It'll be okay. Look. See? And I just keep that in my purse along with that. And you don't have to put the other stuff on very often. You just put a little extra gloss. Now look at there. Okay, so now it's time to put on the wig.